Okay, the future of video is here. I want to show you something really crazy. The company behind ChatGPT, OpenAI, has just announced this brand new text-to-video feature, and this looks absolutely almost real. Let me show you. So I opened up X and I first saw these tweets from the company. At first I thought they were promoting something from DJI, like a drone. So basically what is going to happen from a few months' time is we're going to have the ability to enter text into ChatGPT just like we can now, but get it to generate video. And look how real this is. So in this first example here, you can say introducing Sora, our text-to-video model. Sora can create videos up to 60 seconds in length, featuring highly detailed scenes and complex motions. So we can see here, the prompt is simply, beautiful snowy Tokyo city is bustling, the camera moves through the bustling street, following several people enjoying the beautiful snowy weather, and so on. And just look at this footage. I'll try and increase the quality a little bit here. Oh, it's on X. So look at that. It looks almost real. You may have seen some AI generated videos before, and you can see the kind of frame blending a lot. I mean, this isn't perfect, but it looks real. I saw it and thought it was drone footage. So let's go to the website and we can see some a bit more detailed things about what this can do. And a couple of these are really exciting for video production. So we're now on the site, and if you scroll down, so this is openai.com/Sora, and you can see this one here. Look at this. So the prompt here is, a stylish woman walks down Tokyo street filled with warm, glowing neon and animated city signage. Again, the movements are very, very slightly sort of have a natural smoothness to them, which kind of, you can kind of tell it's AI, but only if you know. I think if you just saw this blows my mind. What does this mean for video production? Let me show you another one here. So this is essentially drone view of waves crashing against the rugged cliffs along Big Sur's Grey Point Beach. Now again, I don't think anyone would look at this and think this isn't real. They wouldn't look at this and think, oh, that's definitely AI video. I think up until now it's been quite easy to tell what AI video is, but that looks absolutely real. Now, I haven't been to this part of the world, so I don't know if this is accurate, but it blows my mind that we could maybe say, take a drone flight around Big Ben in London, and is it going to actually map out London perfectly well? Does that mean that for some scenes, for establishing shots of your movies or your YouTube videos, you won't actually have to travel to these places? Is it going to work that well? One thing that I thought was interesting was this one here. So this is the prompt, historical footage of California during the gold rush. Now, what's kind of crazy here is that the footage looks old. So it must have kind of got its data set from old photos, but it is in color. But look how incredible this looks. If you were setting up a movie and you try to do a scene like this, you would need a hell of a lot of CGI, or you would need some really good sets to pull this off. Just to be able to type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 words and pull this out of it. And I use ChatGPT a lot. It's all about the prompting. You could take this to another level. So I just wanted to post this quick video in case you hadn't seen this. This one's crazy as well. A close-up view of a glass sphere that has a Zen garden within it. There's a small dwarf in the sphere who is raking the Zen garden and creating patterns in the sand. I mean, how would you create this yourself? Look how real this is looking. This just absolutely blows my mind. We are at the stage now where I don't think 99% of people would be able to tell this is not real. What do you think about this in the comment section below? I'm quite excited to use it. I do think this is going to kind of change the game for video production in some really good ways and some really bad ways, because if it can do really accurate, say, drone shots of places around the UK, for example, there are companies that just need a quick drone shot, just a quick shot to establish where someone is. Maybe they're going to like London, say, for example. If this does an accurate enough a job, you're probably not going to need that just to establish, especially if it's not like a completely serious documentary or something like that, if it's just a film or, and even for films, you could do London in a Batman style and it would make it very dark and rainy and all that. So I'm really interested to see how this plays out over the next few months. You can even do animation, a kangaroo, disco dancing. The applications here are incredible. But again, I just cannot believe how real this looks. This is why I had to jump on to do this quick video. And guys, I just want to hear your opinion about this. We'll play around with this as quick as we can. We've reached out to OpenAI just to see if we can get an early access to this. I'll let you know if they allow this. And hopefully we'll have some more info on this on the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.